Hey, gut feeler. Just finishing my morning smoothie here, green smoothie. And I'm a little bit tired. You can see that I have some eye rings, and there's a reason for it, because I almost didn't sleep tonight. Because I'm so excited. There is something that I feel called to do, because I'm so inspired about it. I saw the power of community and of people coming together and sharing from what they're struggling with and really being deeply seen as well, and the healing effects of that. And I would like to combine that with some gut healing tools. This is why you are warmly invited to join the workshop we're holding in a few days about bloating and malabsorption and turning that into digestive ease. It's going to be a 90-minute workshop in a small group, so not 100 people, really a small group where we can actually come together and create an intimacy and a supportive, nourishing soil, so to say, to show up, to feel seen, to share about your challenges, and to walk away with tools that you practice in the workshop. So I'm promising it's going to be fun. It's going to be very interactive, not just me talking all the time. It's really going to harvest the energy and the intelligence of the group, of all the other people who already worked to try and overcome bloating and malabsorption in their life, and the learnings they had and the challenges. So if you're alone at home and you think like, oh my God, I feel alone in this journey, I really would like to connect with other people who are like-minded and who are dealing with the same things and want to overcome the same things, then this is going to be the event. And it's going to be, we're going to go on the physical level. We're going to work on tools that you can implement in your daily life on a bodily level, but also on other levels. And I'm going to introduce you to a concept that I developed now with the 5 gut feeler pioneers I'm working with for creating this new program, this new course about bloating and malabsorption. And you're going to get a little sneak peek on that one. And really, we're going to try out tools and work with them in the 90 minutes workshop, and then you can take those tools that you find useful and implement them in your daily life to step by step walking towards more digestive ease. And also, really, this workshop is really for people if you're done with just following blindly like a sheep, following this diet plan and this protocol and taking those supplements and following this doctor and taking those medications without really having this connection to your body. So we're gonna, this is a very empowering workshop where you actually learn how to connect with your intelligence, connect with your gut feelings, so you leave inspired, you feel nourished, and you have tools that you can actually take away and implement to overcome bloating and malabsorption and turning that into gut well-being. If that's something that calls you, you feel, hey, yeah, I'm getting excited when you share this, then please don't wait to show up and to register. We made it really affordable because it's the first workshop, and we would like to make this available to anybody who feels called. And it's going to be a small group. So it's likely, if you're not acting right now, then you can sign up for the waiting list. In case we do a second workshop, then you can be part of that. But if you're quick enough, you still can register. Really small group, not 100 people, very intimate space. And it's going to be a live 90-minute workshop, and the time and everything is down below. I hope to see you soon, and I wish you a beautiful start of your week, gut feeler. I'm so proud of you that you're here, and I think we can really do this together as a community and inspire each other. This is what 2021 for me is all about. It's all about community and really tapping into our gut feelings and our own intelligence, and in the intelligence of the group we are feeling called to participate in. Okay, see you soon.